Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So today, today I will be making cha spey chika, which is a stir fry green vegetable. So here I have the green vegetable. It's already clean and I'm separating the leaf and the stem. As for the stem, I'm slicing it diagonally, thinly. And it's already washed already. You can wash it before or after it's cut. And right here I am cutting the beef. It's half a pound beef, chuck beef, and you want to slice it thinly. And after that I marinate it with half a teaspoon of baking powder and cornstarch. This will help tenderize the meat. And making a stir fry sauce, starting with our chicken bouillon, sugar, fish sauce, soy sauce, black soy sauce, and oyster sauce, and then just stir to dissolve, and then we are ready to stir fry. I have 1/4 cup of olive oil. You can use any kind of oil, and then the garlic, fry the garlic for maybe about 1 minute, and then I add in the beef. You want your heat to be on medium low, not too high, and the beef cooked pretty fast, so it's just only a few stirring. And then I'm going to add in the sauce, 1 tablespoon, and give that a quick stir as well, and then add in the shrimp and the squid. And again, you want to toss this just for like maybe 1 or 2 minutes. You don't want to overcook the seafood because it could get chewy. And add in the green vegetable or spey chika. I use about 5 cups in this video, and then add all the other sauce, and then just give this a quick stir for about 1 or 2 minutes, and then your stir fry should be done. This is a very delicious dish. It's very easy to make and perfect for lunch, and it's best to serve with jasmine steamed rice. And then the serving size will be about between 3 to 4 people, and it's pretty good. You guys give this recipe a try. And that's it for this video on how to make a stir fry spey chika, and hope you guys like it. And if you do, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more video. Until the next video, thank you and bye bye.